a federal judge just made a ruling that stunned Washington. Both indictments against James Comey and Letitia James have been thrown out entirely, not because of evidence, not because of testimony, but because Donald Trump's handpicked interim U.S. attorney was illegally appointed. This decision is sending shockwaves through the Department of Justice, and today we're breaking down exactly what happened. On Monday, a federal judge dismissed two major criminal cases: the indictment against former FBI Director James Comey, the indictment against New York Attorney General Letitia James. The judge ruled that the prosecutor who brought those cases, Lindsey Halligan, was not legally allowed to hold that position, making everything she did invalid. Why the appointment was illegal. Judge Cameron McGowan Currie ruled the previous interim U.S. attorney's 120-day term had already expired. Under federal law, the Attorney General no longer had authority to install another interim appointee. Therefore, Lindsey Halligan's appointment was unlawful from day one, she wrote. All actions flowing from Ms. Halligan's defective appointment were unlawful exercises of executive power. That includes the grand jury indictments. Everything she touched is now void. The judge warned that if she had ruled otherwise, any administration could bypass Senate confirmation indefinitely, install loyalists in top prosecutorial positions, use them to pursue political rivals. She wrote, "That cannot be the law." This ruling blocks that loophole. Case 1. James Comey. Comey had been charged with lying to Congress obstruction, leaking information through his attorney. He pleaded not guilty. Now, with the dismissal, the judge noted something huge. The statute of limitations has expired, meaning this case cannot realistically be revived. Comey responded in a video, "This was a prosecution based on malevolence and incompetence, a reflection of what the DOJ has become under Donald Trump." He added, "A president cannot use the DOJ to target political enemies." Case 2. Letitia James. James had been charged with bank fraud, making false statements regarding a property mortgage. She pleaded not guilty. After the dismissal, she said, "I am heartened by today's victory. I remain fearless in the face of these baseless charges." White House spokesperson Abigail Jackson insisted, "This will not be the final word. The facts of the indictments have not changed, but legally, the judge's decision wipes the slate clean, without prejudice," meaning the charges could technically be brought again. For Comey, that's unlikely due to expired time limits. For James, theoretically possible. But procedurally, the government would have to start over from scratch. This isn't just about two cases. It's about how far a president can go in installing prosecutors who take direct orders, the judge said the quiet part out loud. If this were allowed, any president could handpick private citizens off the street to secure indictments. This ruling shuts that door, and it will be cited for years.